Hey folks, CA Rachana Ranade here and I welcome you all to another असं कसं काय? Hey folks, CA Rachana Ranade here and I welcome you all to another brand new investment masterclass. In one of our previous investment masterclass, I had told you that with an intention to diversify our holdings, we tend to invest in different mutual fund schemes, right? But finally what happens is that mutual fund schemes might invest in the same stocks. So finally there is a mutual fund overlap or a stock overlap. But what do we mean by that is what we are going to check out in the next part of the video. So let's quickly understand what do we mean by a mutual fund portfolio overlap. It happens when you invest in two different mutual fund schemes, but these schemes finally end up in investing in the same stock. Just have a look at this. I had actually taken the same example in one of my previous masterclasses, investment masterclasses. Have a look at it. HDFC Bank, same. Infosys in both these mutual funds. Reliance Industries, again in both. TCS, both. So I hope you have very clearly understood what is the problem. We have not truly diversified our portfolio. But then, is there any solution to find out the mutual fund overlap? And if yes, what is the solution? Well, the solution is really simple. What you just have to do is compare the two portfolios, okay? Keep them side by side. Then just go on reading out the names one by one from this side and one by one from the other side, and then manually compare how many, hardly 30 or 40 stocks. Now in lockdown we have a lot of time, na? So or karna kya hai baki, right? Then once you have identified the number of stocks, then second thing, just try and identify the percentage. So for example, HDFC Bank here is 9%, here it is 8%, only for 35 to 40 stocks. Isn't it maddening? Yes. So is there a solution for this? There has to be a solution. There have to be some websites who will give us this data in a ready-made manner. And to be very honest with you, I was told by one of my students that, ma'am, I found out two websites which give this data. And this is like an ultimate moment for any teacher, that a student gives inputs to the teacher and says, we have found this website. So it gives me a very nice feeling. This happened in one of my Zoom meeting sessions. For those who know about this, I have so many courses on my website, and whoever enrolls for these courses, I take a Zoom meeting session every single month. And during the Zoom call, Mr. Rohan Laghate actually told this to me, and I said, wow, thanks a lot for the input. I will surely take a video on this. So that's why in the next part of the video, I am going to talk about the two free websites which are available for us. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about two major solutions. One is the website called as the Advisor Khoj. Second one is thefundu.com, and also there is a free Excel tool which is available, which is known as the free FinCal. I'm going to leave the links of all these in the description box. Very, very, very important. This is not a paid promotion. Genuinely, I thought that all these are good solutions, so I'm bringing it in front of you. Alright, so here's the first solution for you. If you remember, I have talked about the value research website, but other than that, I had also talked about Advisor Khoj website when we had discussed about rolling returns in one of our previous videos. So what you have to do is just visit this website, advisorkhoj.com, then go to the section of mutual fund research. In that, what you have to do is, in mutual fund research, you have to just tap on this mutual fund portfolio overlap. Once you tap on this, then what screen you can see, first of all, what you have to do is you have to select the category. Assume that we select the category of equity large caps. Then you have to compare two funds, right? So assume we are taking Axis Blue Chip. Disclaimer, this is not a recommendation. I'm just comparing two funds, right? So Axis Blue Chip, and second one is, let us say, Canara Robeco. Okay, so these two mutual funds, how many stocks do they have in common? How much percentage holding is in common is what we are going to analyze with just one click. So once I submit this, once I just hit the submit button, that's what you can see, that 87% of the stocks are common of Axis with Canara Robeco. And if I am comparing Canara Robeco with Axis, then 67% holding is common. Now, if I just scroll down here, you can see the overall portfolio overlap as well. No overlap is 38.2%, and average portfolio overlap. This average is going to be of these two figures which I showed you right now in the bar graph. Uska average portfolio overlap is 61.8%. Now, how many stocks are there in common? 25 stocks are there in common. And if I want to check which 25 stocks, here you can see common stocks across two funds. I just click on that. And once I click on this, here is the list ready-made available for you, which tells you about how much percentage holding is also there in each and every specific stock. Solution number 2 is the website thefundu.com. I'm talking about this website for the first time on our channel, I guess. So what you have to do is just go to the tools section, and here you can very clearly see this one, which is the mutual fund portfolio overlap. I just click on this, and what I can do is I can just quickly select, I guess this was the same one which we had selected, Axis Equity Fund Growth. Again, let's compare with the same one, Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Growth, and I just say go. Here you can see 87 and 67. Just have a look at this. Was it the same? Let's just go back and check if the percentage holding is exactly the same. See, 87%, 67% is exactly the same result in both the websites. But of course, if I'm talking about the scheme A and B uncommon stocks, here they have given a note which mentions that the Venn diagram portrays portfolio overlap between scheme A and B. Cash is not included. So because they are not including cash, that might be the reason why uncommon stocks, the percentage is a little bit different, but common is exactly the same. Okay, now if you go here, portfolio overlap is given. See, same thing, common stocks, 25 stocks are in common. Now here, if you ask me what is a shade better, is I think the graphics are a little bit better as compared to the Advisor Coach website. So here again, same thing. Here you can see HDFC Bank, Infosys, ICICI Bank, TCS. All these are exactly, here you can see the percentage as well. 9%, 8%, 9%, 7%. It's almost the same. So I hope with this you have understood that even if you are getting the feeling that I've invested in two different mutual funds, ultimately you have invested in the same stocks only. Now, how can I make use of these websites to take practical decisions in my portfolio selection? So, assume that you already have Axis Blue Chip Mutual Fund in your portfolio and you want to add up one more mutual fund. But being a comparatively low risk taker, you believe that the other mutual fund which I want to add, that should also be from the large cap space. Okay, that should also be like a blue chip mutual fund. So then what you decide is that you filter out mutual funds, which one suits you. But the question in front of you is that how will I choose? How will I select which mutual fund is best for me? For that, we have the magic of mutual fund course. So if you want, just have a look at this course through my website, rachnaranade.com. Right. So after going through the process which I have taught in this course, assume that you filter out two mutual funds. One is Canara Robeco Mutual Fund and the other one is Kotak Mutual Funds. Okay, both again from the large cap or the blue chip space. If you remember in the previous part of the video, we had told that 87% was common in which two? Axis and Canara Robeco. Now we have to understand how much is common portfolio between what and what? Axis and Kotak. So what I do is I just type out Kotak Blue Chip. Okay. And I just press go. Once I hit go, I can see that here the common stocks percentage is 82%. Remember, there it was 87%. Here it is 82%. Even the number of common stocks is 24. There it was 25. Correct. Then if you remember how much percentage overlap, there it was just barely 0.5% here and there. Not even a big gap. But here if you see between Axis and Kotak, for ICICI, it's more than 1%. For TCS, it's 5.5 versus 7.5, 2% gap. If you're talking about Reliance, it's 4.5 barely to 7.5, almost 3% gap. Same is the case with HDFC. And if you talk about Kotak Mahindra Bank, here it's 7.14% and 2.75%. So are you getting a good diversification in these two mutual funds as compared to Axis and Canara Robeco? I hope you have understood how you can make use of mutual fund portfolio overlap while taking your investment decision. Before we conclude this session, just have a look at these two sentences. The very first one is that this mutual fund is the best one. Second one is that this mutual fund is best for me. I want to know which one out of these two sentences you feel is the correct one. Let me know in the comment section. And if you get it right, just pat on your back. It means that you have moved one step closer towards financial literacy. I hope you have enjoyed today's session. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.